I'm Jane. I live in Llanfyddin, North Wales. We changed to Superfast broadband about 3 months ago, and it's been a fantastic move for us. To be honest, we're quite a geeky family, so we did know about it. We'd seen it on the websites. I was impressed that there was a choice of providers, so I was able to look at each provider and compare the different options, really. We've got 3 different generations in our household and lots of devices. We're a gaming family, so we will do network StarCraft games, which is really great because it kind of keeps us all in contact. There can be 5 computers in our house all working at the same time. The key difference has been the fact there's no frustration now. Nobody is left out, because we were having situations where certain devices weren't going to work, and that caused a lot of difficulty. I think it's the reliability of knowing that everybody can use IT at the same time. That has been quite difficult in the past. With the fibre, we found that everything just runs much more smoothly. You know, everybody's happy really now.